How's it going, YouTubers? Thanks for tuning in to Blaze Beat Racing. Today, I'm showing off my little Miata. I got it a little bit dirty today, driving it on the back roads, but it is pretty mint. NA 1.8, 1994. I have another set of rims with it, BBS with performance rubber, but these ones I was using for winter because I'm actually driving this car during the colder months of the year. I got a really good deal on it with the hard top, so I got super lucky, and I'm just trying to maintain it really well. And I went over the whole underside. There was actually no rust on the car. I just tried to rust proof it as good as I could, as quick as I could, but I spent a weekend doing that, and I'm really happy with it. And it's really solid, nothing wrong with it. It's got about 198,000 kilometers on it. And so yeah, I've been using this thing for winter, did a bit of drifting with it. I had an MX-5 for the first few months of winter, and I was drifting that thing like crazy. But it had a few issues, and I just wanted to get something that was like, you know, completely solid and rear-wheel drive. And this one popped up, and I snapped it up. Got a steal on it.
Really?
So let's take a look in there. The shifter feels great. It's had a lot of work done to it recently, like regular maintenance. Could definitely use performance exhaust. That's something I plan on doing eventually. I upgraded the sound system though. Just fires up real nice. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna do a soft top delete. I inspected the soft top, and it has some small in it that were duct taped, so I'm not impressed with that, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be using this thing as a hard top car anyway for the colder months, like I said. But so it's got a few little nicks, but really the car's in amazing condition for its age, and I'm really happy with it. I'll pop the trunk. There's very little space in these cars, like in the back, but inside the car for two people it actually has a lot of space. There's the spare tire, and yeah, that's all you get. And then the battery is right here, tucked in there. Here it is. Really clean engine bay. This car also has adjustable coilovers made by Yonaka, and they feel really good. I tuned them after buying the car. I spent some time adjusting them, and they feel amazing. When I got this car, it was slammed though, completely slammed. Looked like a dog squatting, you know, but I think I got it just right now. I got a little bit of camber, but not too much, you know, just what you want. And adjusted the springs. It feels nice and stiff, but not too stiff for the street, you know. It's not burning oil or anything. Fluids are all topped up. I'm just really impressed with this car. I love it. Big fan of these things. And that's my mom's Celica GTS. They're changing the rims on it. And that's my dad's 3000 GT that he just finished doing a full engine rebuild on it. Upgraded the cams. Probably gonna upgrade the exhaust or muffler soon too, hopefully. And yeah, we got some projects going in the garage. I'll show you guys quick. My brother's Corolla. He's been hard at work. We're gonna do a wide body kit on it, fresh new paint. It's all almost completely ready for all new paint now. And this is the TE27 SR5 from 1972. Great little car, extremely lightweight, and really decent power to weight ratio. Nice racing rims that it came with. It had a kind of like a redneck wide body, but we cut those flares off that were mostly made off the original body and with metal added, but we're doing it right now with those flares. So yeah, thanks for tuning in to my channel. I'll have some test drive footage of the car, and took it out for a nice long drive today. Had some fun, took some nice pictures, and I'll also show a picture of it with the BBS rims on.